Okay, so far I've got eggs, bread, smoothie stuff, hummus and carrots on the list. So we've got stuff for lunches. We just need to come up with some dinners.
Okay.
So I found this recipe. What do you think of quinoa and mushroom burgers?
No, that does not sound good.
How about spicy cauliflower tacos?
Why would anybody put cauliflower in a taco?
Because it's delicious.
No, that doesn't sound good.
Do you have any dinner ideas?
Well, oh man, I can think of all kinds of things I'd like to eat. Yeah, you know what sounds great is a chili cheese dog. Mmm. Let us not forget we decided to start a healthier diet. Hot dogs, as you know, are high in processed meat, and who knows what's in that can of chili. We really need to shop the perimeter of the grocery store. Okay, the perimeter of the store. Let's see, dairy's in the perimeter. Ooh, fettuccine alfredo. Now that sounds awesome. Oh, but all that fat and cholesterol. We should consider a more plant-based diet. But I need protein. How am I going to find that in plants? Some beans are high in protein. And don't forget... If you say tofu, this conversation is over. Well, I don't know how else to impress... Look, I need protein, and not from tofu. Okay, well, we just need to come up with a way that we can make...
Hello, did I lose you? We need to do a shopping list.
Yeah, you know what? This is so difficult. What do you say we just get takeout and we each get what we want?
I think takeout sounds awesome, but we got to do the shopping tomorrow.
Okay. All right, baby. I got a veggie sandwich for you and a cheeseburger for me.
Oh my God, I am so hungry.
Ah, me too. Let's dig in. There ain't nothing wrong with a cheeseburger. What did you get? Oh,
A veggie soda.
Okay.
Oh, ho, ho, look at that.
Holy cow, that thing is huge.
I know. Oh my God, look at that. I had to get my mouth around it.
That thing looks bigger than my cheeseburger.
It is bigger than your
It's
cheeseburger.
humongous. You gonna be able to eat all that?
I don't know. Sure is good though. How's your burger?
I got better.
Do you want to try this?
Yeah, let me finish my burger first.
Oh. All right, well, I think I'm going to have leftovers.
All right. You know, I always used to think you can't go wrong with a cheeseburger, but I've had way better.
Well, I've got this. You should try it. I think you'll really like it.
You think I'd like that? It's all veggies.
Well, you'll never know unless you give it a try.
All right.
Just take a bite. What do you think?
That's pretty good.
Wow. Really? You think so?
That is awesome. There's no meat in this thing. Wow. Who knew? We gotta reverse engineer this thing. Figure out how to make these ourselves. Okay, so we got this figured out. This is gonna be rocking. Now, we don't normally have bread around, but we always have tortillas. And you saw both of us trying to cram that sandwich into our mouth. That was kind of difficult. So we figure it's a lot easier if we make a wrap. So we're gonna use tortillas instead. But we got everything here we need to get these things going. And we're just gonna start throwing ingredients into a bowl, and we'll tell you as we go what we're doing.
the next thing we do is we take a large fry pan, we put it on low heat, medium-low heat. We just want to warm up the tortillas a little bit to make them more pliable so that they roll up much more easily. Okay, and once it's starting to get kind of warm, we put a couple slices of provolone cheese. And then the black beans. We have a slotted spoon. You want to make sure and drain these, or you're going to have a mess all over your plate. And then we like to use Sir Kensington's Chipotle mayonnaise. Yummy stuff. And then when you have your plate ready, you pick this thing up and onto your plate like that. And now we put all the goodness in there. About like that. We have homegrown alfalfa sprouts, which we will put on here like this. And then we fold the two ends over like this. And oh, we try and get all of this into that tortilla like that. And we have some sandwich wrap paper, like you would find at a deli. And this really helps contain the mess and keep it off of your lap. And just like that, we have delicious goodness.
Good job, babe. That was good. All right, now what do we put on the shopping list for breakfast?